Good morning, good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning. We are ready to go. ¿Todo bien? No. We are just loading up the car. My sister-in-law's here. She's gonna drive us to the airport. And then we'll be on our way. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. We are at the gate. Boys have eaten donuts and Mr. Beast chocolate bars, breakfast of champions. I got some coffee. We just had a potty break. We are all ready to go. I still need to reorganize my liquids from going to TSA.
I want to blow my microphone.
Okay, when you're done with your chocolate bar. My plan to only do carry-ons did not work. My bag and my mother-in-law's bag were too big to fit in the overhead, so they made us check them. So that's a bummer, but that's fine. I just got scarred one time having to wait 2 hours for my luggage at MCO, so hopefully that won't happen today. Yeah, all right, I'll see you on the plane. We made it to Animal Kingdom. We are about to get on Navi River.
Our program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee.
She said it was.
Hey, so we made it to a resort, dropped off our bags, had our driver drop us off at Animal Kingdom, got here, did Navi, put out of my face, did Navi, then 3 of us went and did Flight of Passage while my husband Jim and my little son went to Pizza Safari, got some pizza, and then the rest of us ate at Satuli Canteen. I was so hungry that I didn't even think to take a picture or video of what I got. But I got the the chimichurri beef bowl with noodles and like the cream sauce, which honestly I didn't even need the sauce. And then I got the ubi coffee, which is actually very good. I'm quite enjoying it. So now we met up with the rest of my family and we are at Pizza Safari and they're eating, and then we're gonna go do dinosaur.
Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
The flashing one. Happy Together Day!
Alright, so we finished up, we rode Dinosaur, then we saw the new Zootopia show. It was so cute. It was great. It was very cute, and my younger child absolutely loved it. He was laughing and giggling the whole time. We got duplicate Chewy. I already have Chewy. We finished up at Animal Kingdom, took the bus over to Art of Animation because my 3-year-old, of course, is obsessed with cars. So we wanted to see all the Radiator Springs stuff that they have here. My older son walked in and said, "Mommy, can we stay at this hotel next time?" So that's that. So they love it here. But yeah, my mother-in-law and I also got some frozen margaritas, and we're just walking around.
I'm gonna go.
Hi, so I'm closing out the vlog. It's late. It's like 9:45. I'm showered. My hair's in my unicorn. I'm not one of those people who can like do the unicorn heatless curl and make it look pretty. Like mine just looks like a hot mess, but it generally works in the morning. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, so let's see. So we left Art of Animation. My mother-in-law and my husband were wiped, and I think my kids were delirious. At least like my 3-year-old. He was up. I mean, we woke them up at 4 in the morning, Central Time. And I really thought they would come back to the hotel and just like pass out. But I should have known better because they are total night owls. And so they just fell asleep like 10 minutes ago. And it's 9:45. And I basically had to force them to go to sleep. But it is really cute because the little one's basically sleeping like on top of the other one. But anyway, yeah, my husband passed out like, 40 minutes ago. So yeah. So had a good day, a long day, longer than expected. When we got back to the resort, we just ate at the quick service, the Mara. Had a couple, I just had chicken tenders, honestly. That was all I was in the mood for. The boys had burgers and an Uncrustable, so nothing fancy or worth filming, recording about. Yeah, I think we might get a reservation at Garden Grill tomorrow. We're doing Epcot. My little one decided today that he really wants to like meet Mickey and Chippendale. So I was like, okay, let's see what we can find. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, that's it. Fun day though. Tomorrow's going to be a lot colder, like in the 50s. Today's weather was perfect. It was in the low 70s. It was beautiful. But yeah, tomorrow will be a little chillier. So we'll see how the day goes. I will do a room tour tomorrow. Today was just, we were too tired and there was so much going on. So I will do a room tour and maybe a resort tour as well. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.